This morning, my life changed. Welcome to the AI Shift. I'm Scott. I have some routines in my regular work activities, and finally, after I got through those pesky things you have to do the first thing in the morning, I settled down to do some serious work. As you know, I am an owner of a software company, and I'm not a coder. I'm not a developer. I'm an ideas guy, but I'm engineering something that I've never done before. And I'm confident now that what I'm doing, I can do because of AI. It gives me very simple, clear instructions of exactly what to do. And I don't need to know any of that technical stuff at all. But the process I was using, interestingly, was fairly tedious. It was a lot of keeping track of things one by one. It was copying and pasting and copying the results and sharing the results back with the AI. And it was quite methodical. It was great. It was getting things done, and it has been for a while now. But this morning, well, it got really different. I learned that you can use the AI with your browser. It has the ability to look with your permission at a browser window. So if it can see what you're looking at, if it can see the under the hood stuff that I need to get to, it can do the work instead of me doing all that copying and pasting. Of course, I was a little bit anxious at first. Who wouldn't be? But it works, and it's very methodical about it. It doesn't just assume that it can go wandering everywhere. It asks for permissions to make sure, and it tells you, I need to go here. Is that okay? It's very careful and thorough. And now I can literally put my feet up and just watch it make the magic happen. Things that probably would have taken twice or three times as long to do with my old technique, with the copying and the pasting, and sometimes copying things wrong and having to do it again. I don't have to do that anymore. Now, when it needs clarification on something, it gets stuck on something or needs to go a different direction because it learned something, it still asks for permission, but it then can keep going. I got so much done like I never could imagine. I've been thinking for a while about tackling this project, and I kind of imagined, it's going to take a couple of days to do this, even with AI. And I was fine with that. But not anymore. Not a couple of days anymore. Just amazing. I know you've been hearing me say a bunch of these stories. It's starting to sound a little repetitive, I bet. But I hope that repetition is encouraging you to realize how powerful, how possible this is for you. I'm not technical. I'm ideas. And I share my ideas with the AI, and it translates that into technical for me. And then now kind of runs the ship a little bit for me. I guess it's a little bit like Autopilot with my hands on the steering wheel. How's that? Well, that was my excitement this morning, and I'm still on cloud 9 because I can now see ahead weeks and months into the future about all the things I want and need to do that are going to go so much better than even I thought they would, with an optimistic and upbeat feeling yesterday. So here we go. Another big day. I hope that's exciting for you when you get to that point as well. I'll be here tomorrow, and I hope you will be too.